Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some decadent chocolate cake. It is absolutely delicious. The ingredients will be in the description box. So here we are sifting our dry ingredients together. Then we are going to mix our wet ingredients. And I'm adding some zested lemon as well. Then we are going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. Then we are going to add a little bit of coffee. I mean, you can omit the coffee if you do not like coffee. I mean, I'm not a coffee drinker, but it helps the cake to be more chocolatey. And then we are going to pour in our 9-inch baking pan and bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 20 minutes. I mean, you're going to insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's done. Let it cool, and then we're going to remove from pan and let it sit on the baking rack. I'm trying to slice it down so it can be nice and even. Then we are going to make our filling. We have cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and we are going to mix this well. Then we are going to add our dark cocoa. We're going to sift that in. Continue to mix until it is really well combined. The flavor of this filling is to die for, guys. It is so delicious. Then we're going to add our frosting in the center of our cake. You can add more or less. So this is my birthday cake. Alright, we're going to place the top. Then we're going to make our chocolate ganache. We're going to pour 1.5 cup of chocolate chip over boiling water. Then we're going to add half a cup of half and half and continue to stir. The more you stir, the glossier the chocolate gets. You see how that is? Absolutely amazing. Then we are going to pour this right over the cake. And this is so easy, guys. You can even make this cake for Valentine. You can make it for birthdays, any occasion. You decorate this. I did use some chocolate. I placed that around, and this is my final results. So thank you guys for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. All right, see y'all in the next video.